Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by attaching a shader material to the mesh. This is where you control lighting and bands. Once attached, open the shader editor and set render mode to unshaded if you need full Toon control, otherwise keep lighting but simplify it. Next, define a uniform Vec3 for light dyer and sample a 1D color ramp or a small texture for quantized bands. Make sure to expose the ramp as a uniform so you can tweak bands live. This first step creates the foundation for sampling light intensity. Now compute the lighting term. Take the surface normal and calculate n.L with your light dyer. Clamp it to 0. Once done, quantize that value to produce flat bands, either by using floor, n.L asterisk steps, /steps, or by sampling the ramp texture with n.L as the coordinate. Then multiply your albedo by the banded value, so color step instead of blend. You can optionally add a thin rim or a hard specular by combining another quantized dot test. Finish by exposing parameters like steps, ramp texture, and light dyer so you can iterate quickly in the editor. Once done, test the shader on varied geometry. Try flat shaded faces, smooth normals, and mirrored or inverted normals to catch seams. If you notice banding artifacts or incorrect shading, make sure normals are normalized and that light dyer is in the same space as normals, object versus world. A reliable troubleshooting tip: toggle between world and object space for both normals and light to pinpoint mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.